Hello everyone, my name is Jia Kim and I'm the first speaker of this presentation. Before we start, I want to ask you a question. How many hours did you sleep last night? Maybe 4 or 5? Today we're going to talk about the importance of taking deep sleep. Here's the overview. Okay, let me get started. Sleep is a dynamic activity controlled by nerve signaling chemicals called neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters control whether we are asleep or awake by acting on different groups of nerve cells or neurons in the brain. Neurons in the brain stem, which connect the brain with the spinal cord, produce neurotransmitters such as serotonin and norepinephrine that keep some parts of the brain active while we are awake. Other neurons at the base of the brain begin signaling when we fall asleep. These neurons appear to switch off the signals that keep us awake. Research also suggests that a chemical called adenosine builds up in our blood while we are awake and causes drowsiness. This chemical gradually breaks down while we sleep. Next is about the stages of sleep. During sleep, we gradually pass through 5 phases of sleep: stages 1, 2, 3, 4, and REM sleep. These sleep stages progress in a cycle. From stage 1 to REM sleep, then the cycle starts over again with stage 1. We spend almost 50% of our total sleep time in stage 2 sleep, about 20% in REM sleep, and the remaining 30% in the other stages. Infants, by contrast, spend about half of their sleep time in REM sleep. During stage 1, which is light sleep, we drift in and out of sleep and can be wakened easily. Our eyes move very slowly and muscle activity is slow. People awakened from stage 1 sleep often remember fragmented visual images and also experience sudden muscle contractions called hypnic myoclonia or hypnic jerks, preceded by your sensation of starting to fall. When we enter stage 2 sleep, our eye movements stop and our brain waves become slower, with occasional bursts of rapid waves called sleep spindles. In stage 3, extremely slow brain waves called delta waves begin to appear, interspersed with smaller, faster waves. By stage 4, the brain produces delta waves almost exclusively. It is very difficult to wake someone during stage 3 and 4, which are called deep sleep. When we switch into REM sleep, our breathing becomes more rapid, irregular, and shallow. Our eyes jerk rapidly in various directions, and our limb muscles become temporarily paralyzed during sleep.